Fish in the Sea craft. For this, you'll make 4 fish that go in the sea. First, you'll start with the template and you'll cut out all of the items on the template. You are given 6 different colored papers and you'll choose 4 of them to make for the fish bodies, and then the other 2 you'll make all the fish out of one and all of the face out of one. So pick your color and then trace the faces onto the color that you chose, and you'll do 4 of those, 1 for each fish, and then you'll do the same on a different color with the lips and trace 4 of those for each of the fish. And then once you have all of those traced, then you will cut out all of those shapes. After you have all those shapes cut out, you'll pick one of the colors for the fish and you'll fold it across halfway to make a triangle. Then you'll take the open side and you'll cut slits almost all the way to the top of the crease. And you'll do that all the way down until you have slits all the way across. Then you can open it up and take your glue stick and put glue across the middle. And then you'll take each strip and fold it into the center, but don't crease it down. And this is making the body of the fish. So you'll do that all the way across until you get to the last piece that will be a square. And then you'll put glue on that and fold it up to make the tail. And then cut a little triangle out of the tail. Then you'll take all of the faces, or take one of the faces and glue it on, and then you'll take the lips and glue that on the back, and you can take the googly eye and put that on. Then you have 1 fish done, and you'll do that for the remaining 3, and then once you have all of your 3 fishes made, then you'll take the blue paper and you'll use the template to trace a wave pattern across the light blue, and you're going to use the whole paper, so you can either do wavy across both sides or you can do wavy and then straight, and then you'll cut those out to make waves. And then once you have all the waves cut out, then you'll glue them, and you'll just glue on 2 ends and then stick them down. And you just want it on 2 ends so you can put your fish in there. So once you have all of your waves done, you can take your fish and put them in the sea. Then you have your fish in the sea.